Yameba me patch of fans and if I ready. Monsieur Name me ya dore. Ama wapo wanya nkropon. Wapo wankwa yebotai. Wadi aboso mo shemi ebufuo. Na woso wanya me fofro. Anyami ani pansa na yo. Anyami eye wudia. Anyami ene kwa. Na tete motenya kopawa. Yami boso ba sanseno. Yami nyuno woni pano. Ene dia mi me ya pomi. Santini oja so me bufuo mo. Eda koduru asamado. Na ebe shi adi asase so. Na ebe shi me bo nyina so. She me boabo amuso ano. Na me siesie makonde me bufuo mo. E kwa mo kase bi beba. Oya dia eni ebroso beba. Ni baba watri mo de fo beba. Enkranta besna fa montene so. Na dia ni baba wa be wu. Na mo friend yeti so wo be. Abraham go be aseno. Na do so wo ni ho. E ma boni ayefo. Se masisa mo nyamia. Me penosa. Abraham go be aseno. Na do so wo ni ho. E ma boni ayefo. Se masisa mo nyamia. Se me meye nyansafo a anka wo betie masemo ye wona ewie wo sonko a efri se wo nyame apo na mesi aka bede kura na oba ku betumi apamo apem anaso se ka be ma ne sempo na me ni so atimi apam obidu so dio obe mo na wodidie ho mo ratro mo so na wo bewo wa mro saye no bani abo wo wa no do na wo goso Aretoya media na mesia miara na metiaka oni pa bedi tro manem dano sabre no na we yemre na duro amane horo bre na drunti odihie ni wo akwa so ni wo afa kwa boso wo hini ai aboso ma moji wo ni no mo ma boso ma kwa mo ai o ma wo mra me bo mo ho mai afa no sa ya me ni rade mani me na chinya me bia ni wo ti Oh, Papa, so no bebo jamaya meba mesi eye chiwade wate. Now say wo ma me so se bramie na eno so eye chiwade. Now so obi ni papa yire da eno so mesi eye chiwade. Now so obi so ni ma me kunu da eno so eye chiwade. Say obi so ni nua boy jamaya eno so mesi eye chiwade. Now so obi so ni nana da eno so Enti wa bravo pono Ama sheyo Anama utuono Hey Yeah So bini papa ni amu jabeshia Eno so mesi eye chiwade wate Na so bisi ni mami ni asupo jama yenu so eye chiwade Wa she na no papa yire bada Eno so mesi eye chiwade mema Sheye na uno mami kunu bana Eno so eye chiwade wai Oba ko for emfa obi ne ba momo eno so me se eye chiwade hwa na wa nware obi so ni nia eno so eye chiwade beja wo sa bravo bono na ba cheyo ana ba utsuno mewo ni aba ko bi wa me che fa na Isaac Boache aka Yesu pese obe mo se Isaac Boache Onyame ba fa go wat fa Bible na ebe yo Yesu Onyame be fa Bible wat I know fa Bible ye adia ba akubi e ma wo kon no video awunya dia Ya penu nyame akwaso na ya dinyansa na ya ejuma na ya dentia atia sia dejo ona mokwa na ma kwanchira wate anuzo wo Yesu wa wunya dia ebedoso Yesu onyansa phobia titi owo to me I love you too. Now when you be a phobia, so oh, I want you. Obeshirao. Me betie me. E wonder pa.
I am correct.
Nanya sanso. I am a walkerao. Na se wo hunu nyansa. Oh one need a so what. And I would die chanso. E be se wo. E ma woni bibia. E ma wa. Ne bibia. I am anybody bia so.
Yes.
Now, so I went in here. So, what I was here. I said, on top of my name, so I am my name. Ah, yes, I love you. Take out say to John. How? What money up for? If I am born in China, said you wouldn't try if I am concerned, ye every museum. Yes, me name behind free. And so swimming in the someone so friend, meaning that a high is something of ya. Meran ye, ocean. Upon Papu Kodro, I didn't want Mentiasia, Mentiasia, upon the young Sadodua, Merande, Ohoyame, Baby. I was so, no pictures of Padre Grobe. Nana, who are the Cassianti, Name Cassante Sata, Wajatabidia, woman and young man is on the Maso Maso. Now I got a blue also, one way and then about time, woman and young man is on the Maso. And the Poswa fruits here, I am one what you want more. Now, why now, more Rivia? And you have the one and then go. So on the assassin, if we need what I am, so I have to do it. Bless you. Be back, say you. I saw me go, Moria. Be back, say you.
Thank you. Other for me ma kwa banana pay. Onyamisha ose oha. God bless you so much. And neso yeda onyankopon asiesie Jesus Christ me da wose enano pay. Maye nyankopon me da wose sa wona madom ni mobro nso. Adom ye amade pache na ketemada ya bodwu. Moje die mofusani abra Awurade Yesu Kristo. Mama kwanya mama betina asem na oma kasa mini asem Awurade wona wasem. Na mutumi ne wahoden so ne bekasa fa me mu ekire wo ma. Me da wose se wodi nkonim me dia koma bi ahye wonsa se fa koma bi anomu ne be di nkonim ene den so man sankyere ni nsi wo ma brabo Awurade se obi wa amane mu ana obi yare ana bibi ye obi a ye be wie kasa ne Awurade Yesu Kristo wasa ni pakro yare no ye ne hawo afri ne so me da wose se wodi nkonim wadom no nti amen. Other for me ma wakwaba ena no pain so momfa nche me se mache cruise ni nya cold nti kameso ke ya capture me na mampene aha nti bi ma me take adro nti ma me me die me ampa me na so we dey me die pa ma nyere me ho kranka me da soda ena ma sorry a me no obedi nkomo no na enra me wie program no lady bi send me message na asonhye nti cause na me kunu twa me na ye call lunch nti me wie na ye se asonhye na ye se me ye de me ye na quick nti man shada anti mu biem anti ye de na woka enne so me check here na me se nipa no do so WhatsApp wonti no me ntimi anhu but we point it out and sembi oye no se mame no to please and then some our boss no we want you to continue because idea ekosopa na yemano omotiti asori dem ebibo nyum ebibo drums ebibo keyboard ebibo we omunyina ge ne niema ya fankola ne no mu nti asema wo kan de o including asofo ma in fact me am shame o including asofo ma enya sem kedwa ebi muso ye start possess wo from school enya gra o kan krobi minim se enya France obo krobi din se omo as a pass law se so be a transgender whatever if you talk about it you go to jail na onim se ebe go around the world so law no be omo na ji atum no they will pass it around. Abraham Meti, am I ready to go to jail? I'm so ready to go to jail. Na say kurono so nya me de me kosoa me nka will be the first person to go to jail. Ebe me ahohoahoa se me ko jail wo nya me asamunti. Dan say I will just do a random thing to go to jail. Me ebe me ahohoahoa se me ko jail because of nya me asem. Nti in fact all can was sister enye se ye mano ye no mo na ti aso dem ho ebi tonwom ebi bo drums ebi bo keyboard ebi ebo guitar ebi ye wey nso sadi we fam kola ni no including asofo ma we are living in the last days. We are living in a dangerous time. Last na me papa wo you so where the be my deeper life suffer bi o se papa no case bi si wo mu school ye ko mu na chese ne ba na ye involve papa na nkasa tu ne ho sen utie ni yo papa na nkasa tu ne ho sen e wa sore ho se on to me nyina ho emprichi asore ma okofie no akokotite ne ba no ansa na wasabe fa na sofu die di so nyu bia ne tu ne se ono ankasa indi tu ne ho sey die me woni se awofo a ye wa brochire ye focus wo sika so sen ye ma no including asofo se osofo onyami ja so osofo mu a na wo wu ni fia e den pa se can be to my boy we have better not to take over one maso nti sa osofu di asafo anim na ne maso ye gay ni lesbian ni transgender dia na say there is a question mark na samo ho na sasofo no oso no atu ne ho sen no ko working in family mu and say na wa back because what the ekosunie na one na obeka sa kire ni. I wonder. People are so cold. The fire is not burning. We cut up with enjoyment. Abrocheni je sika ahunya die afefe die. We are so cut up. Nti Satan so afa ho. So the sika ne kirewa na wudwane kohwehwa na wo fa kire na ono so tetewo maro. And ye chinsi sika na Satan so tie kire na wotete yemma. So what you say? Say the near Messia ye danger no sa wo fu ntimi amfa omani anto fom. So wo betete wo ma. Wo be ko wadwuma no amoma ko school. Amoma ye de ombe ye obe ye de anya si fridge mkwaku ba kan we hye na munni. Ama Satan atete nkola no. Ama wanya usika na nyina bi. Sunday pe wo do ombe kwa asori wo mo ntebe. So what you say? Uja nkola no ofia woni de ane koso. So uja wo nko ofia. Ya na wonim. First na mfi say wo manyini na wo duru ba bi na wo mutumi bebi sete wo self na wo wi. Say the more wo grow no the more problems. Nso na me ko ba bi a me check wo school time no mo school metumi ka kwa ba because I don't want them to be home alone. Satan ba ma wo madwene. Ba ye jawo ye man ho. Saturday na me no ka se obi ni fie. O sorry anopa kwaku mo sorry a. Eduane she fridge tito papa no so tito. Aka nkola no nko na ofi. Only God knows what goes on there. We don't have time for our children. We have time for money. So what you say? Nti ba o me parent no yen sorry go waka. Ni yenye ready for jail. Yenye ready see me kokodam. Asofo bi nye ready so mu kodam. Nyame adwuma kokodam a enye problem. Ye de abanka bagu nsa wo nyame adwuma ho a enye udi unti bi dani. So what you say? Me yasofo ni tina safo ni mu preachi. Na me buy a transgender. Na me buy a gay, na me buy a lesbian. Nani asoro hono mo na ujira property nani ujira ho ye den. Ijabe ne so mu aka wo refia na electrify baby a ne ja ne wan. Ka wo kata we di say ade akoso nyina no nyame twa ne se video. Min sentrenye nyame ye mimifia. Mi nya bompa ye wi na me kata mani se wo. De akoso mi na me start mi fie no asa de mi petrofia. Obi church no se video nti se utumi da wa bra de ekoso wo man mu hunu dia something wrong somewhere. Something wrong. Ya check Sodom and Gomorrah you see why Lot if a lot to the enemy radio. Your Bible look at Genesis chapter 19. We see it just and we see Sodom and Gomorrah say. We see number 4 benu drew Sodom and Umre. Na Lord to take Sodom kuro pono ano. Na Lord to hunu wonu osore kushia wo. Na ode nenim butu from kan say. Mira no misramo mo mane emra mo akwa fie misre na twi eba mebo so amako I summarizing Loto tena Sodom and Gomorrah na bone koso ho pa na nyasem kitwa to nyame soma ma ye behwe cheke sekuro no ampa nsama wote wosoro ho no eye no kore omo bae so ne chese de nyame ti wosoro ho bia no na ya asem no no kura pepepe nti wo sene ni pose ya abofo se yemese kuru no mba na lot tewo na lot soso nyamesuro woni munti na odi akoko nti woji wo mu de wo mu kofie ko ma wo mu bibi di wo wo mu na ho aya di obeye nyina kama ena ja wo mu de amane bo no di besie na satam lot kuru na not no wo mama mienu lot tete mama mienu ma wo ye virgin e wo Sodom and Gomorrah kuru na Bible ne kire se wo ma pratete che se ye can gay ni lesbian ye kram say okay say the meet maka say ya broso but lot tena ho ama ne ma no kura ye se enye kura wunyame atini so e koso nye ampa o so mama ye behwe ye no kore but wo bi particular person bi tena ho tete ne ma ama wo mu be ye virgin Making Bible na mkotu baby says na lot of man no na nkofu bi aba omo ye omo fiancé they want to get married to them but they never sleep with them. So what you say? They were waiting for the right time. Tinyame hu nsa no na o save wo ne ne ma. Ne yire no na Sodom ni Gomorrah adwene woni tirim na o ye Sodom and Gomorrah ni. No nyame so kase wo gi lot nko ane ne ma no a ne yire no ahwe a lot nya de kro obeko nti wo so munyina monko oni mo ba na dwe wo so munyina monko na emom ma obi entwanani utwa wani obeda ne nchini sie enam se lot yire no won ka hunti otwanani ampa so oda ne nchini sie lot nya kwan ne ede ne mani ti didim asasi so yetie ne se ye boost to do Gomorrah. But se lot to me tena Sodom and Gomorrah man the ma be virgin dia and ye nice Christophobi yes you be too much in America you be too much in Europe ama ye man aye solid and it is a soft dia safonim na ne ba timi apro aye transgender gay ni lesbian dia na minim dia Bible kura usua na minim to mi kura e do ye adwuma na minim dia wo ye I wonder. Onyame mu tro asem we ye nsem na ho se de be ya ye behu se Sodom and Gomorrah protete ye no onyame nya wo bi onipatene ni bi wo hono mo a wona ne ma na boni ni wo ho nti wo de kire wo sa wo susu tene kuro na mu opro no kuro na ye se ye nye no kuro na ye crucify no no tene mu na teto wo ma na mo meyi nipa kronkron wo Awurade anim ba yeti kuro im ana ye chensi sika ene wiase mu niema ene ye gya ma ena afedie echiwade bo man nti nkola yitiwa unzo mo ye nkola ebi bo drums ebi bo keyboard ebi to nyum nyina onyame to nani a no wosu se ya ma demons are possessing mofre Satan dukro so what you see. Why? Because we love money so much. We are doing competition. Man consider I am fear for because I'm a mobra. But we be bobra ne be wie no what chia say. Now mana say. Me hu ye ka oba time ene ni kunu te hono ma. Eni kwase ka oba ye adwuma full time. No way. Yet shaki de ne de ni mu odu ne yamabako a de ne so ate ne tuma hwenkola because adwuma bi so wo fie a wo se ye ba we di omu nyina because adwene no enko bankrom oba pesu kusi abrosan be ma pesu kusi abrosan nti obi e pa wono ane so ne de nti ye beta nkola ne ho ne yakwa kopa yesika de ye japade na nkola na sei. And then call drugs. Nkamia say in everything they do drugs. Nyakomo. They addicted to porn. Nyakomo. They were addicted to masturbation. Nyakomo. Nsumame phone papa for they don't know. Tam kakra ko mbenya ofie se o mbe o manento ko gina so ofie o. There is no peace in that marriage because of selfishness. Bema ye selfish, ne yiri ye selfish. Omo ye di nipa bebo omo baso, but that shit nkola na brabo, they don't think about it. Omo ni nkonkola ni wo, ye nya wo wati kona ku school ayemfa ho, omo ko omadwuma ne so omo ko omadwuma. Obi kro oye adwuma na jo. Obi etimi di 3 days na na mawu no. Obi 4 days na na magi junction because okoye adwuma na jo. Obo adwuma mienu. Oko daytime de ba okokwa na jo. Time na obeba na nko so ne matra se okoda. Oda ya edu time wo so okoni day job de na osaso reko. Wo mafia kopim so obe finish na jo de no na no power ba beda. Nti nkola na kura ngu no. Nti wa na etete o ma. Mami no so sorry anopa 9 akwase mu sorry aduane hye fridge mo pipa wi won okro no obedu fi na bo 6 wa bre wotena konyam didi wie pe wada onim so obebusa die na ekoso onim nkola ne nko ne wo fi o die na ekoso onim ne yeto wo majeje mu edwuma na fa ne no mu oni tam mpo a ye de bo mpaye oni o Onita my the bumpire. Your Bible no call Lamentation, chapter 2, verse 19. Lamentation chapter 2, verse number 19. Quadrum. What's it? Sorry, kick him and I joke the assume infitia say. She wakumegu se insio erade enim. Umotofua kra inti ma wonsa so chre no na wa toto kom ano epiti amro no nyina ti nsire mesi aka twini wo se sori anado kekam motofo krenti wa dwumanti unzo ntumi sori anado mompai. This is the time I was see dima ye man no nye common demons now wo ye double. Nso adwumanti utumi to hono 9 o'clock to 6 wo mo bo wo to wo say fam eno ano no sika be wo be guru wo wani ma guru wo ma wo be ye mo bo. So what you say sika o ye pesika na asante fo bu be wante wo so do wani mienu ehweto ma ekoro bebo ya de yeni mienu ehweto mo ya wo nsu yenim se gi sitete ba wotumo so bu ho qualify se ko wo because nya wo ne se wa chim na wa wo awo ne se wo betete wo ba ne yi e ka wo ko a wo bi etumi wo bi se be bodam ni kura so bi ne ho kana otumi nyin se wo but nya wo ne se wa chim ato ho awo ne se wo betumi etete wo ma no wo Kristo mu. So what you say nti nkola na pro dudu na so ye obese won na trefia no oduane ma na die to my ice cream so be say ya otitivi anim na sa onye na to no an komma oni mu hyeya ura de dem abeka se e de se bola so kasa krunim kasa ni agije phone so ni iPad de amowo no mu sisi won ye bo game obekon dem no twe yes ye eno akola ba kutumi tena konwam na chip sisi ni nchen obebo game sa 3 hours 4 hours. I wonder eye me wonwo enye no na kire se wo do ma no phones ni iPads ni ho ni kuta wo mo no enye ne na kire do a wo de do wo mo e kire wo mo ejim kwan because one wo mo hwe pornography eso a ohun se wo ba so wo sua de obo eso a no mo hwe porno eso a no mo hwe ekwan fa so twetwe ye ho eso a ene ye kire wo mo se bi wo hwe na wo ho se bi siti a utumi da no ho ye gay transgender eso nti nya wawa asɔre them neso sɛ wo mu yɛ demons ɛkyerɛ sɛ yɛ anya yɛ dwuma yi na the school teacher kora ɔkyerɛ deɛ ne sɛ nkɔla ne developers it me yi na di sɛ school no faili a yɛtumi work teachers na out ne yɛ de foforɔ bagum nti sɛ sɔfo te asɔre them na development bi a ma na ne matimi bɛyɛ transgender ne gay for dia eh na yɛ sɛ ɔyɛ bad teacher. Minim tete yakora abrochefo ye de sese Kristofo no se ye se ye behavior akode anye ye nko o ye man ka ho ye kununum ka ho wontumi preach abonten kora nye ufi ho wontumi nka sakra wadwe nye ufi ho manim abusuanim. When was the last time asofo no matena se eye teachings wo fie? Baby o university kura unim ho o kwa ho ba ko pe no no abrabo a ekoso campus where you don't know ba o mu ba na mo de mo ho mo me ba no woni o so what you say ba utumu so what Satan so no de abewura ho ye didi sa na yada Uwunye nisa uwutu wa ukikamu no uwuye hinti Satan betu wache umanu unim nti ubebo adwuma ho nso hititi sane yada onya di opebia obididia nti ubega enche sofo babru kire enche no ayikukuku obidura bruche eniema wa aduane ne niema no ayikukuku akonchi kontumi nyebi na Satan so afa ho nti duru Sunday no prepare the message no be proper ni munim go a wapon na sofu ba mponie na asoreba eba sofu ba mponio na asoreba yetimi ni ya emma no itu bia ka asore dem ho deeper life wo mu ya de asore dem ho yetimi go di 2 days wo asore dem mpaibo akonchene Bible sua mpaibo akonchene Bible sua ni alonko asoro dan 2 days ni apie akonchene ubusa no so onu nyame wa appointment last week ye ko bi Saturday me be dru fie anopa 8 o'clock me ni kola nyina na koy ye ko show star mpaibo akonchene ne Bible sua sa 24 hours. Nipania bio I be diakro. Nso what the satam no or the kojitika or the kopom mampo. We spend more time in our job. More time in our job. Nyame so aye madom so for with them anim no nani kire heaven nani abiabre obashi shat ho ye ba so tam say ye be free ha tam say bo aho ne bra wo be ba nso ya sofo ibi o ma fo ti bone no kwa na ekoso se say no mba pass law no de ene ene e be hu sofo no wabokre ka no gina ne ba oba ne oba e we de ase adai a kuro no e na ahye mbra no ntimi ya hu yenyenye bua ho se je no be ko bua ho se wonti ase nti je no de bua ho se wo be ko etu bi akọ he wo se de ho sitie because one day you go there na nse meta ko he ho koso duli mame no to won hwiye I will end there onyame asem so nti na uti se mekwa na nyame asem nti na mekwa because so mo show mo mra na abra me nya de medi so me ni so da meto mra no nti no won hwiye na mo prison makwa ende hobi and I'm not afraid of say nyame adwumenti I'll end up there no obi nyame adwumenti etimi poma to say dina Yesu Christo se da bi ten na se bi in Nigeria deeper life suffer new year ni kingdom omo ban na Boko Haram fo hia omo hia mo ne yi wo mo si fam ne di ti etu kire sofo no so ne si deny Yesu Kristo ne si beku no si mean deny den ne eku now the jail and yes especially krumha ukwa ye serve breakfast lunch and dinner e ukwa na evangelist papa ba ho omo ba ho bebe ebe kanya mi asem e ukwa you will get a sound mind to read your Bible because dan e be say na ahim utoleti ni si ha no uwia no flash nko a e bi ho beti nyame kura ne. People are so afraid. Upa Kristo mo. You don't care. So to me yes adia and you to me. Ntina say you have to take the fear out of you. You don't care. No one say where they okro. But so sanya mane dia and you to me. To be last night, obi na to you say me ye juma meradi mi di mini pedu anyina me ye nyame na juma na me nya ni nsam shira sa ofrem ya bibiara mi di aniji e be jini do sande onu na adu shira buso me ye juma ameradi me ye juma meradi from ya bibiara me di aniji ebe jinizo sande ono na du shira busu. You have to be aggressive and now you know see the coming the one be here. Just prepare yourself for say a two baby you will stand for Christ. Just tune your mind like that. So the baby you will be opposite. Even if he is going to take your life, will be opposite of it. Will be opposite. Which is worse is coming. Worse is on the way coming. Yem fun easy. Into what do you say? Christos your bread and butter. But they didn't mean the fun sabu of food that dear. It's not like that. You need the power of God to stand. Papa mo bonimo. And krum han kolano o kan mo kase krum ajuru bia mekunu ya no mama wo de misi odo wo hwemani ase. Just take a look. My ready say me ko baby wo de wo de wo kan sa na misi you don't know wo de hwe nti me tia me ma me nsuro se me yesa me tia me ma na ya no mo kran so ye me won se obi amfa fo ofia so because once ade a wo nsuro no so ma nchen. The usuro in the bauso. The usuro no a mountain. The usuro a bauso. Minsuro be you. But a who ya suffer be near suffer maybe a woundy. Now can say a colano. Now you say a colano obey offended. If you obey for police, it is the same colano net to parents. Parent into Timbabium. Choose you are no abano becatch who says so your bar. Into Nidina who no when Nijana who to Tim more remote Dino to no when your Mitchell Dino sorrow, yes, son. A brasso see a soft sorry, especially a brooch. I don't know. Krum how ba. Pray. And when you get to airport, before you pass through outside, a hokra no bomba ye pa because Sutana now be from a Pia Bontino, Aquabi Jinaho. One no be poured your person with a groom and Madia Guso and send a wap Pia Bontin. To when you say womb and one you are captured. Won't to me get you rather pack this in your mibam. When you say you are from poor country to a Chekua, a dear no one find out. Who in your minipa or bet check out the also the year on Tite, it doesn't do more. When you be bound, so now we say type, then you be rather pay. And to Kwabuchi me kwabuchi no. As soon as you land at the airport to see wom. Se JFK na be landia before we be pia bonten say we be fa cargo fee. Pass the bathroom ho baby. Koke kam say obi o abodam. Se to me be a dikro yi so a sorry tie Kristo som Erade. Ansa na me be to me na egu kuro dua yi mu no. Emane ni me so mame ni to me. To pia obe hu se jano from distance. Obe hu se jano so on hwe wanim kura. Na wa pass it through. Na sa wo daddy de wo play nim. Wo wi anu wasi for medra brochire pa. Wo dura nim anu wo wi agu so panyan. Wo na wo sene no. Afi sofo na afi wadame. Enye izo. Me pese me nua no tiase. From now going, last me catch them say 2020 our journey will start to. From now going, you know, and expect to say silver platter. Expect to be a bit man. You tell a man for them. You there. You're hot and you come on. You're very hot. Because of the calamity of school. Basi keke kro mutna basi numa gorgeous less than 30 minutes no basi nimu keke ne ya samaranko basi nimu keke no ko tena hono be 8 hours nya daji musa wo de ekoso hoda wo hwe ne ubane ya bia atum se niam bi nkoyie nso ntumi nkan ho asem ni nyina ne say there is no peace in the house unu kunu so ntoko manya agro nti de bia no why na ya occupy about your marriage nti we you when you free kola no so no mo pro atupa no won pai bo no ye wo debt say wo be check wo man so what you see mema ni bisu you ignorant they don't care. All they care is a beautiful woman. When you know about pe, no one in the buna topa. Dio no one nijo. The adiabana free more bana dachi. Nyame be say ho asem no. They don't care about it. Ntina nkola ne pro. Eba ne say. E di ni free so beti bayira ho mamu a fe no wonder Safedi sorry them yet yema wunyaminti cause nkolai ko be hwe omuso wu yemobo kakrai nkolai nyina you possess ni nyina ne say you physical ni chi say obi asi airport pa no de nanjene si abrosan be ma de nanjene si abrosan oba drop plan when ni so obi anjene you different. Nti mamu be free mo ba no you suffer. You suffer. Saturday bi ko wenya time wo be tena fie ne masue bibi no odu baba shop. E ho no okore nsa di asa. E say baba shop what an entertainment. E ho ni kunu no mkoye entertainment. O wi asa bebo ne ntuma makwa yie ana party. Nti woni time sa bia me no kasai wo be kwa adwuma ba 6 o'clock o wi obeboa no ho sa kwa yie Sunday asori won to me nkobi obetuma kobi sukra first service 1 hour 30 minutes wapon oba obe relax obetuma to they say sports wahwe bia wi obedu no odi ne fufu wi awada ade a chia Monday o wasa hye adwuma na sibim ne mano die onfo bia ho tinkola ne pro nti se lot etimi tena Sodom and Gomorrah e raising kola virgins dia enye no nyame eji Christians to be able to raise our children to become good children cause edano atemu dano lot be ba begina ho Erade wana unim se the America city was a lot to brahaba can be beach on mom. What is Sodom and Gomorrah net say was in Erade nay say. Now to me to tell my eye. Until there's a lot to be to tell the man as a woman who are ignorant. So what you say? Obi anko through na beka se we de wo mo nte ase you know they don't understand who's a lot mo tam no na gay ni lesbian ni wo mo ntu we de obefra lot abegina ho no no wakasa. Yesterday I was like I feel no margin nyina tika no nyina mi mama wa dwon ha de besi mama odo koso na me dwene woman no nsem no kan no me ye ya no pain no pese me sa ebutie. He said, me who are just be or send me a message. No me who say, nay, you know, or do you know? What? What? Our children, I won't say. Your dad, you, Nicolani say. You poison woman, Jenny. Lady Nika was because almost some person Africa for educating too. Until now they were brainwashing the blacks. Ni be my gay, transgender, lesbian, no one. So who share oh we are nice pa modeling be fatal yet be drago do work transgender gay ni lesbian. Sportsy sa to mo flipping nipa na more. More na mo be free abruchire edge mo president say won legalize the gay. And now so say obehwa African America fo bebre ko fie say ho no mo free o mo hwe o mo nchi. Most of them munim di omo dey ba Kenya bi ni. Cause corona o matire mu aye omo ye chi o mo free mo ha no. Ehon mentality no mo di be wu African country ho. Wo mo be maye de bone aye Papa dane bone. Enti nye wanju se o mo be fi wo mo gine no mo de tia na no mo de ba ho. Wo mo nim se wo mo ho no mo firi ba mo mo gine no o mo be ka se mo ka chiri because mo ye third word. Mo ma wo mo nkyere mo bibi. To wo mo be je mo nsase ne sisi adan anya no wo kuro nim. No wo mo wia wo mo si akonya mo hwe yi bedrum ne bi mo beto aba na African American. Ama ne digana so. Na was switching him. Woman the pro ha no wo ma no e ba ba influence mo ma no e bi no be bia schools. E bi no be bia schools abortion clinics. The omu ye wa ha no eno no mo de beto am ho if you don't know. Womu be gada nipa so mu bia moni nesa akola woni akola to nesa wo hwe na akola na yese no pese wo yese ya bo anonye sa eye lucky se sa akola no kuku ne ho wo be ye bibi sa education dia be educate mo mo ye boni ati awrade so what you say o mo be yesa enna na me bibusa me kunasem no wo ka se Beyonce mame o so free Ghana okay Beyonce na ne mame so free Ghana Mami benya sase no oji okrom ho na lesbian issues ye koso ya me come to so we be school obenya TV station so educate parents African parents because of no free obeba be so chichi na ni ase ama gay for ne lesbian for no mo hawa kodan say ye de konko asumu ama ma be jira ka say eh ntumu sumu nsuru wurade nko asumu ye de na nanom ko mo ye kudi nsensema wa America yi ana mo pesa mo sade ye mai bi ko munya wo mo munya freedom no munya de obey it's on the way coming say see adefo oh mo be fie wo so mo friga na yo de wo mo de ba no wo mo be yiye ntete ye na ye de tete ye na firi ho de wo mo de fon no wo mo de na aporo no aba bi kutu ye wo man ni te wuni mo hemfo so be ma won kwan mo be mo mpanimfo e be bie kwan ma wo mo to be catch us as sorry kokra en kwasiasem you have to make money. They will tell you the time is money. You are wasting time in the church. Go get the job, find a job, get money, make money for yourself. They will talk to you like that. And you me kwa na ya dum na nansa ya buruchira yetumi nya nsori bi yetumi cry call all night. How do you feel say ya be your party who all night but see you all night to say ready you ko boy ready empire no they don't do it. Nansa say bibi epusu nipa bi kakra. Until they will bring that kind of mentality. They will start from the movie stars, musicians and all that. Omo monu dru bedroom no. Any radio presenters no. They will start and digging and no be well say sudu. Sanetio no ma dane ya mamre no. Wo ma dane ye ntete ye no. No mo de na apro no aba be wuram. Until worse is coming. Enemy free ha no so sum hi no osu. Wo free ha dia ne wo be kru no ma wo so free ho na nti wani age a wo ba na be sie kru no ye ntete ye. By the bio edi no ma gise wo so free ha o wo de ntete ye na asai no na wo de be wuram. Omo so wo sika chan ye mu bebre. Keska fo na eba. Ti sa Beyonce se wo je asase free jo so to kejeti obetumi. O ye ko chichiri kuro ho a obeye. Wo so ye ge no ye lesbian ye ha obi amomra ha sei. Yate ye ho group. No mo de sika wuram no ma peja at dani kuro no. It's coming. You don't know. So what you see, they will tell you say it's nonsense to stay in the church. Why you go to church? Into prayer say I'm for me come by when me call all night. They will tell you say because they were coming to build buildings the rent no nobody. Last time I was watching Nana Kwame Bediako to me be at the say hotel Ghana. Nana, listen here. We are Africans. Okay, ye ni sika te sa de hafo no sika. Nti kamu ye bibia mama no emfete ye kakra Africans. Ba mo fa outside influence de ye bibi o man nti ye ntimi benefit. Me Africani, me ko rent Trump hotel. $500 a night. America. Okay? Ebi ko etu bi o mutumi te so. Ebi ese we percent off. Emma will be a tumiba from it depends the room that you want. Nama control me krum Ghana. Na me rent 1 night $350 a night. Are you helping us? Or mobeji assassino ye niema ama anti mo na sika ni be shutu no. Mo no na nipa ebeyi nipa dwene firi nyame so. Ama o ma ye niema o nya kam kura nkobo nyame din. If you're there to build Africa, because we've been neglected for so many years, do something also to suit us. Because me free Ahanuma Ghana, me go rent hotel, $350 a night. Me be classy. If I give her that $350 a night, a day, me name di sikano obet media. It means a sweet $15,000 a day. Nana Kwame Bediako, did you come to help us or what? And you build your sikafone, you build yet here. I was see your benefit to us as soon as we. Nti again, and no be Emma Messica unipa dinu. So what you say? And the sika be win nipa dinu. Ama ye jenyame wo. Ti say you win nipa dinu America. Nipa enche say, omo friend time is money no nipa ni time e ma awurade no. And awofo nyina pe sika ye gya ye ma ho a bi no madane lesbian gays and transgenders no. Sabi no mo dey ba. So what you say? Nti wan go omu ru ni so de na esa wo kra wo yikurase ni. Nti kuro bi so de na ya me mobo. Nipa ni du ha ye se ya ma no hene. Ya bo no kuro asomasi so hene. Ya ma no kuro asomasi so hene na etutu ne ntoma. Gugu ya ma no hene. No watu sika no aye bibi nipa ya mama no hene. Se ni sika so sin kuro no a. De obeka no eno na kuro ni befa. So what you say? for your good. They were coming to capture the place. No more the sufun, it's Sultan time, and the Ababi William. Because who better hand money, the kind of secret do him. Because one call me. If you would him send out here, the brought and tending. Tia by you who come down so. And you're not hero. You must say they are buying Juma. No one does a chrono cost or a bam. Chrono, echoes or a bam. You to me no money in a BBI to you done to a hole. Tia be woo could be so. And the woman take advantage in almost saying, ma. And I saw you see here, Christopher, so I mean that. And you do money the new kind. So who feels a woman shinting about Jenny and who because I wouldn't chuma, Ube can be you know, man, say. And more probably. Not so for Papa, so for dinner we are, and to obey me a transgender. Because most of them want to just them more support to money. Tinyame who so be truako. Nyame who so ni muso ati say they want to bo about or so ataso enko baby a. Na kwala be jina ho. Yeah, daddy, I have a meeting with you guys. I check myself. My name is Zion. But when I check myself, the way I feel within me, I'm a girl. So I want you guys to call me Zaya. Nina so they are in the bio. Nina is listen here. Dwayne Wade, no way. And we're giant work of Gabriel Union. Gabriel Union, you buy a canoe to me, Omoko Church, and when you be the man the way. Into a buyer stepmother. And a papa in the Osika. And I'm calling the 1 inch. Into a colana bassa, or pursue no money madumunti. Or better chin and yes, ultimate for the 9 sifon. No, what the Finnish couldn't say, young Wakola. Nakolana can say you are the best mom I've ever had. But I want to abandon and a tewa, come to my own baby. I had been also a man, Obi Maria Nisunko, or Maria Nisunko. They were mercy powerful. Nanka, Megan, Nanko free and they say, Queen Elizabeth, I'm a move. What in the Kuru Maria or Nasu Nana Yanajuma? Sumie Kasao. Or should the son say, Henry, do you really love me? I don't want to die like your mom. Paparazzi everywhere. So can't we do anything for ourselves? All we do is we are royals and we go here and we go there. I have a career, you know. I'm an actress. So this is how our life is going to be. I can go like this. You have to do something about it. What the kind of nakasa? Now work here. The answer be sukakra. Will you? To go home, why also where power the but no baby make up on the head idea. So I know you know the bedroom to my wow back. So I know you know the bedroom to my wow back. Most of the pastors, they didn't preach with them, no, on their Bible. They didn't preach with them, no, on their original puppets. So, who does who call a captain say woman? Jai. So, what you see? We have to stand for Christ, no matter what. Let's stand for Christ. You move on Peter and Santre Radin to minister and say Radimu, so we are mobile. And Radimu, boni nyina hini ene sika pa nipa di akire eye no kore sika me nipa the more you get the more you go sika de o nipa ni asumdwe sika enima sika ye wasasi so no eya kese last na papa tichi eno si Satan ye de not to prison so be en si de not to prison enche be yi na manaba na de o te na coordinate se na nan sika na tie akonwa no so ampa so woto woni sha sika o ena ewuru nkolanke toa hwegana akola 12 years wo se mi koji sika duro 13 years wo se mi ko pesa kawa so what you say sika tio ni pekum ni ni onwene sika ti wo bi tutu fam asie opemfo ni mu no so accident ni so a onwene sika dominating Mr. Misha osa kwa me despite in the bay wedding me dey na me check comments me hade obisi oh my God go punish poverty God go punish you oh poverty your curse in fact poverty God go punish you ni nyina na say they line up cars never oh see cars me kai ai osofia obete ohun so obe kan say hey my God na woman just obe kan ka teacher what in say guniti yeah na woman na kakai ya ka chiri o dina hono so oba na ba wo heka ni ma my God na woman na drive the car na just wa ka chiri obisi child seekers God go punish poverty. You see the mentality. It is a sign of way. I couldn't be obe faso obenye sikano obe faso. I couldn't be obe faso sikano obenyano obe faso. Sibi kunukura obe faso. Media me wunti misure sikafo. Sikafo be pray I fear them. Me minim die ntia misuro sikafo be pray. I fear most me to makase misuro 90% sikafo me mabna misuro. And I have my reason. Outside na won shamo. Na wo kodi po na be hu say hey me 90% sika for me mabna I fear them me slow cause you bia na nam nyankopon kwaso nya sika no bia wo mo nyame na hyede hyira wo ni fiu wo mo bibinti ni kuta wo no edoso che wo mo a onyame hyede hyira wo mo ti se Job last na papa preach o se Ghana sika fo onye sika no de na ni a kire gem onye sika anya kojo ni sika fo kuo no de ni a kire gem nka sika no wato de bo ase nya bi outside onyame hyira no ba sika no ba wie no o ko Satan ho kope bambo ti no de ni ho ko wura gem ti so on ko join Illuminati na akoda ne okot no akoda ne e de say Freemason no akoda ne lodge. So what you say? Until a few of them in the Yami and Kasakai Shira was the Shirano, who bought the ministry case of 50 I say, oh, banan, you have done it on yes, yeah, catch it. Jinayo in Africa now, and when it's kind of day down was on. A Singapore will be a new maybe. You could count. To be one in pipe when you answer, can be baby mewa and the back. You be initiating on any. You be initiating on any. You could say Sankra be on a sign who didn't be a sign. You didn't be in your name, nanny. Until me say, Abramati, Miss Swessy Kafo. See, we 100, and 99. I fear them. I fear them. Missing Yamia Madumo. It is a net to see a minute. I can say, me who be sick cars with me more. I see the scale. I be a good minister. Why is it why? Me mo. Me value. And Yama Sam. Me so be sick of me home. Michelle baby, no you will see and now one baby be a many merino. So first, now so per se. When was the last time I catch a Mikunam Sinodon? So said they will sit in a car now with my basketball. Nan cabit me because of the music and the mood. Who say nan cabit wa won't fee? In Yas. No say, mammy. You will me Africa. Now basketball one and don't call. Mammy me born me papa one drive me and cost stadiums and cover board pay. Was once na me papa drive me. Was a satana kotokone avricos. Omoko konto ko bi ma nipa wuye. No can. Once na ne papa drive na papa ni nyeko. Papa ni accountant or mathematics. O person ne ba ne ko school kese. Nti papa no support sports no. And one day ne ba pani na won se de bia no mpeso mdo mba pani si o manan. Ne ba na mpene ma ne papa mfa na nsi na nan. No se mama we kra no ye just say me an me stop on the snake give me wure ma because me wo ka se me nko school was school papa bi o Ghana bia ne papa de ni wure. Opoku are international nso na college dwane ekoko bobo wa honaga dada bawo no dwane no ko ka ye ma me ne papa ba te se me kwanya me che papa se eno no nke ye different we die dada ba oso hia nso o ye din o onkasa o onkasa nti wo kana sem kra obi gyan jo nyini koso wo ye din ye pake ne niam nyina ya ne se o koskru no dru honaga no okobobo near the nefa bu mesen na zongo fo na ba ya kakaji ko no more aba o say ayi alaji cruise at me sani roma here but hey do work kakaji hey I come baba it just no nyasam kito no one ne de sem enye komo o sitro bia no ko strike o sis kanitra ono so na ya captain nti na alaji cruise just would be good so ho onye komo no si we crampo o se me papa no mfiu so what you say ti sikano amu hu anu ni soja no we no mo kas tontura kas ne wo na konkonsa fo ya yiro na ka bie bi wa ha na this car na this sister so what does some woni bresa ne ma no dia na nyame honhom ntum na nye Kristo ni papa na wonye Kristo ni papa who ye Kristo ni papa it's like a trash in your eyes so what you say who ni se sumina so ade when ni se san who ni se sumina so ade empusu kakra bia wo benye bia no wo to wo you okay who you comfortable with what you got basa when that's to bresa niema no na mo hwe ne ka na mo hwe ne fie na mo sa wa adwene ne woni that's to bresa niema na eni na konyame anim kobom pa yeye koso nyesa obesa ko wiase nyesa obesa ko wiase tisika ne ye pesa ya me na me ye jaye man no na mpese misi we obi ko Ghana na kuya safo ani fie no e kama pao na wani si ye na me ba me be si da Ghana me hu say the dan e ko si ya dan kolo e say the amanfo wo the remote ne bi dan no afi no wo try kwa be fa so be bu bi egum no wo si ni ye na afi wato fence wo no wo the gate kesi ato no nti ba di ni ko so wo ye kora no wo ye so what you say di ni ko so wo ye kora ni e join ni iku akese ye de hu ko wura ni emam Satan group mu no mu hu odi ku group mu abema mu sesses mu nya hu ni Satan group nipa group odi ne nkofo atoto ano e ho no wo be fa de ama mu sesses mu nya hu o group mu a na obey because individual nti e ba yesi we ku no ko join we nti nipa ba kofo no join ku be nan nti wo ye mu group saa ni yeyi wo mo de da no no ye de mo wura ye de mo tie ko wura sesses na mo fu di chiri e mo ni mmiri wo bisika kakra wo no unya bibi na hotowa don't rush hwehwurade this time ayi wo mu hwehwurade uni nyankopon tamanya kronkron forget about their money me wo bi a wo bi de wo so hie bibi sika ye di chiri me wo bi a wo bi di bi akọ wo kwa wo no ko se ni yi no ni kotu papa kora ye ntam fansha no ono ko no ko ntim faso be pa na wo mu cause bible ne ka wo se ki nya di be die ene de be kata ye ho anke ye me no konsom bo maye but the bia ne ye rashe sister ya class take classes bi enya certificate ni na danfo bi ba ya ekuya na we na classes we de umutua kese o we sa certificate utumi nya we de umutua kese ubo sa fe wo kwa adwuma na o sa take afe na dwene nyina ye occupy o ye adwuma o sa take classes nti ubo sa wa ye stress ohu de onya ni nyina ne se we na onya ye no ye se we no tua mo nti afe wo beja we na to na wo sa ko we afe wo na mu sa di ne sika ne chino na afe ni we fi se wa wo obetete ne ma Nigeria for mu guilty e no mu ye guilty they be obo hwehwe different certificate yes ya hanu yo yes ya mu tua kese you know I got this certificate I got this I take these classes degree bi opeso obo bi e to share software no e wo se kanya me ho asem no amanfo degree akese na yi wo ho no ye shie mu kura ye bomba ya say important thing from onyame no onye butu wo ye mompa ya mana obusa na e de ho ne mompa ya ewiase mu ne ma ho asem no work ti ye bebutu ye bompa ya mani pa be ho ahwan no de obete so se me pese me ye onyankopon adwuma no e bia na yi mu ba kopa na mienu ana me busa urade se de na menyama no di nti na wafre me ana me samu mompa ya mame me pese me ye iraba no nyame entro me di won konwom da bi. You know the job that we have the manager there, and the manager now that he comes, he's trying everything because I'm from Africa and he wants them to transfer me. But then my job that I do is really good, that they should even promote me, you know. And then they don't want to promote me because I'm from Africa, you know, the discrimination and all that. So they want to take me from my position and then bring because and then bring the other guy to my position. And then when I look and I shake my head, you know, and I say, you know, Africans, these people, when we are doing something and they want to take us out, so I want God to help me, you know. So I need prayers. Is that manager that he wants to take me out, he should stop this. Or he should just leave the other branch, you know, and then go to the other branch so that I can have the position that I want to have. That's what I need prayers. Pray because Jesus Christ, seriously. What do you want us to pray for you? You know, I want a prayer in my village. My uncle and the other guy, and they take it juju. They're trying to do stuff to confuse my children. So I want God to help me so that when they start the juju, it won't work. All these kinds of prayer. Yababom paya manipa be de ohwa. Won't take me per se wadimu wa me. Na me nyini wa wadimu. Na niyama ntimi nkoye. No. Sani prayer way to, so you know the job, the school, who book teachings on Makra, Bible studies come all night on Sio. So I'm gonna slam Bible Casio. So what you say? Money, just a niyama, would you want to say? Kuye, brother, yeah, you know, my children's school. I pray that God will help me so that they can get the scholarship. They get the scholarship. I think is going to help me. The scholarship, you know, they don't give it to us. They give it to the other people. So I want God to help me so the children will get the scholarship there for the school. Children, you saw your scholarship. One sakra. Children, your mum buy your ma woman scholarship. And Kolai, woman sakra. Into scholarship, never. Near to the free brono, to soon and state, you know, also the Nako baby. When you get scholarship, then you won't call. So, what the gay and the baby fear. So, what the lesbian and the baby fear. So, what the transgender and the baby fear. So, what the azan dream catastrofe. So, what the chrono and the baby fear. One faho ni nyina say your mom pay man no nya scholarship. So when this kind of prayers keep going, na it will be na me ho yira me na me ho meti. Till last we omo ye on mo madwen for some lead prayers. Salvation yan kwaje nko a o mpa koda. Me no obi any na, you know, my job, they have a new manager. And the new manager, I think because I'm from Africa, and then the new manager, her face is, her eyes is on me all the time. Everything that I do, this new manager, she talk about it, you know. Everything that I do, and I am a good worker too. You know, now the last time the where we are going to the prayer conference that I couldn't come, it's because of my manager, because they want to fire me. So if anything little thing that I do, they want to fire me. See, that's why I couldn't come home. So I pray that God will help me. So that manager will leave me alone, you know, so that I can do whatever. And that job is really good because when I start that job, it helped me very well. So the other one, I can't even pay my tax, you know. This one is good. So I asked God, I said, God, hey, what do you want me to do? This one is too much. Now, these things are not too much. You see, so I want a prayer so that manager will just leave me alone. You know, Sunday power, sorry, Uboso, I whisper will be, I'm going to work. Or quite, you know, my manager now, the situation, you know, yeah, so I have to go. No, sorry, no go. Cannot things, when I'm man go. Ah, Mr. Otu, when you're to say, ah, we won't focus when you're missing it, son. It's few. The me pay no doso few the mindset is work, money, work, money. They don't care the rest. Tia yes, I'm a to your money, Jim. Or Bana, you busy, Bama, you busy. Send your wishes in the village in the Epamano. Eden will be the person to a balaba. Eden, you maybe will be discriminated. Tiano. Watch as a wonya and pie will be open that Vivian Yamina. o mo de dai I was a by bottom word the day 24 hours near shall them by bomb what the dew 3 days near you saw near Pumpine near Bogu your money to the soul near come to the room near Bombay was a special deliverance deliver Mofrano yet you are continuing Bombay cook train a minimum 3 days dry fasting yaso the worship this one factor radio was my tools from once no bompire me suffer ready meet you nanki the suni judge near ready who your mobo kai the by a so ready who your mobo David Bay who your mobo the empire and ye ready says the young ready who your mobo nanki a pine word the dear nanki a shas of a son 3 days nanki a show who be pin near a course at the set akoko to kusiaso 40 days Naki deliver Mofrano, Naka deliverance a coso, near deliver Mofi demonica, Ecoso, I possess your man. When so did Debbie? So for that. Now, so the man the bed. I saw the penning for you gratitude, one of my most no mutonko. One more titi no will be any show on monobos with one man who took one thing in the Bible be flat. What bread? Our children need great deliverance. I will see a pine with the deer near Bombay, a son, Monsori Waka. Now, when you may be or be shaky grounds. Into Monsori Sabri. Near deliver Mofrano. It be bayet to Mumu, it be a possessed demonic. Yet I was saying, deliver Colano before so you deliver no what you ye. There's a brutus of food terror anymore. Woman go to get him when you make a casta a radi refia Canada, Fidi, a Kaya Canado, a radi with your mobile idea by a saw. No, you pine with the dear. Near somewhere ready so. Near cancel the meditation near ma. Near you first soon you cha and quite ready near beer when you mean tea and Bible. It be ready Becassa. It be a ready bigger than some. Me see coronavirus was a one. Or Boba to Sassroche. Unyamuni. Sa coronavirus, you be free and tempano. Let you make it in your con. Boba Sassroche. But did you maybe? Unyam Basso Tretana for say, one of the dinner summon pano to my the moon walk on. So to me be ye dinner memo. Ebe cheerful Kumo, ebe shaky grounds. Nti sabre we no mind prayer who say a query dear. I was saying to me some, never sukruma for so. No so ye when you made your bias is ye a decacra. Ye must sue you, remember you to me, to me a walk kruma for the so. Yes, you buy any kruma for na pet. And so Lord to trust Sodom and Gomorrah. One is Sodom and Gomorrah for your pearl. What say no? Because no soon ya maybe. Yes, so dear bar, near day in no. Near summon on a fool yammy. Near the old dear children near sweet chisby. Near the atro. Sophia would not puppet also will preach you when the throne will be on cratas. As a matter of fact, the crater called the edge, my dear. Your friend of Coco Pepper, so say what they say a Bukari and the crater on the edge. To do it by your friend Bukari. So what do you say? What do you queer up for man to see your friend Nadia maybe? I want the craters. So what do you say? Ye jenya me ho near money pro. tinya mobo sa safinim ye woto nyom ye obo keyboard ye obo drums ye obo guitar the only di kwa wo mu nyina you possess tinya enye Satan so wa found mo frase we used to rough we need sympathy. Our children need deliverance. Great. You deliver or more. Most of them are possessed with lust. Sorry, I did that. The kumi kurani say guess he be ko party asia. Krum ha soka aduane abu akwaduro nti. Okudru party na sia, omaye party na wie no, no set stew ene nam emo ho, no de abafia ma ne ma na bidi. No de abafie ama ne ma na di. To wonya free ho ba, no de begu fridge m Sunday, ma'am. I mean, we want to eat. Or say I opened the fridge yesterday from party. I brought rice and stew. Nem kolani dear no wada. Set aside. The one the dear one no will be so near the bar. You must be it 2 o'clock and a joke where you could do mine. No, so let the num no watching num. They eat what you want to say. What was a sister see the nothing in a tatai, and so the honest in him setting. To whom I know I have budget to support a coconusifa. A dear. So what you say? In Koye. Said the other boy, not just in inside. Let's watch it. And you never free in yo. What to miss that party as yet, Yammy, not the Duffy. Nanka uncle didn't go. No, said go come, or the Brennan. Why? iPad and the phone seasoning na. Nam for landline into feel. No kofa. WhatsApp ne ho ahwan bi ani so. Nye sanso amonye gye iPhone no. Na mon tokoto BlackBerry. Mu ko amaza mu benya BlackBerry di ebie so no. Or the receive call nko a ne di order frɛ. That's it. Your friend no afa. Your friend yeah also to me the friend obobo numbers BlackBerry to the no. The na yi ni so no bibie e da bi da so ho. Mo wada oda bi na mo twa line tum. Na mo ni iPhone no emfifiri wo mo nsam na ekuo. Ekuo. Junior 15 years on kuta phone. Ne brother no 14 years on phone. Obina 14 years this month on phone. No to be kure musai. Me kure na first ko ya na mse o da bi anya dwuma wa ha. Odo mama na sa phone dey me say eh brother. Me sro ho nko ade ja mama me sro. When it comes to children o munye ma bi say odo me pa chow wo dey ja ho mama nya ko adwuma. Me busa Vince o birthday dey na pa so me pe Bible. To Bible no mo rap mama me say wo busa yi. Nyafe no bi koto iPad ne iPhone ne earphone a tutu amafo di tie nyumfo. No way. Eno so ti sa ne mani ni ho nsinti no, o mo concentrate wo nyame asem. Junior to do timi ma me Bible no story baby kwa na me nkenkan order. Last year kwa story akola ni dia dance me ba menu me be no fi so nim kasa o. Woji microphone. One na dance dia na be president nsa. Me akola be di microphone the wo si kasa ye. Ena na mi swa. Ami timi nkasa ye. Na me kai onyame Belliam and the donkey, you know. If God can make the donkey talk, that God makes me talk. And now I this and that. And I thank him so much for making me like this. I praise the Lord. And I thank also my mom. Thank you, mama. Thank you, mother. You help us so much. You direct us to Christ. And mother, thank you so much. Nakoli, hey, Junior. What am I can say? Akole okwede. So what you say? Unka chance ko Bible. Unka. The Bible no so kran so o wini question in ye de chair no. Asore ni ebusubusa questions. Mpanimfo nyina te ho. Bible mu efa hin na say ye obia including me nyina ye tete ho. Obia ta kire ye yam de boom me be answer me be ya peda me sa. Ay so for ya no se da bi obi obe answer question wey ye be man price. Afeni ye sunu gujemu we hwe we anim tum say yes. They say you're calling penifum. And what I saw them when you ding. I feel me was a junior pigeon and say, or G microphone, not clear. The Bible no say teen. You did you could have become or the ransom do. Echo my Israel for. Or do so Bible no so. Michelle Sanam say, somebody hear me bay. Cause you see dig it through be at Musano. Junior, I Bible anyway, I hear from the war or Sumeba. But check your man says here. Very so to me with the Bible no, in coming who we do or any idea now, or be more the whole story when you back current film. Timber Busano, how many days to yeah, just today. Safuni kuta me de ma wo mo nkomo be addicted to the missing me share me right time because satam na nka nkola no ye be introduce sadi satam na so nya me share me no say o se me share baba we nya se nkola be say satam ni mo wo mani be bie akọ wiase mu satam na no nya me so share me. Who be a woman, be a vampire, a radius so who you mobile my 2 years between the hour. But you introduce so full. For not dear, sister, you don't know. Sooner who care won't come so many mouth. Dear, say time. Who's a wow to say time? Now said Trianica. Young penny for you could be a one canteen one. Now we are addicted to your phone. It will be a Bible, so when no phone no pet, nay, as a one sa and some coffee, name pressy baby. Just who do. And yes, I during the Bible, but bling, who was say, a year 1, 2, 3, no, I don't know any. You so consume. Uncolam so your first nicotana, puppy, and near my woman was sworn. You come. For your man who here were day. Say Lord to Sodom and Gomorrah at the 10 ma. Your fire cram to and some. Near mamma, your man. Even you're not talking about Benjamin Benjamin money from Miss Owen. Timmy my radio. Prison. Nessa Ghana prison, Grand Comforter. Miss Anna means so hey. So me could may say. Me didn't jumpa me to say. See, I need a sit down. He doesn't like one pound you. Who tap for Cassia now who entertaining the son. Who tap for Cassia. What pound down for? No, we entertaining the son. See a Christopher dear, let's do it. Very powerful. You're more than my Christ. You're hot. than they say a Boko Haram. Yes, Sambeba. Because Ubaya Bibi now Tiana Jenisa by me, you say, I call on the pro. Intinino. So what I say, a true baby also Tian Banner was so Tianman who's what Tian. Nkoya Buchinti. Na hanya heaven. Nyamena wa Africa no wahabi. Nyesa, you be ne bibia, you be true feel ne mapro. Ye mana say. O yire ne kunu, munya dwene ba ko feel. Mr. and Mrs. Mama mwadwene nya ba ko. Akola ne ba me pewei, mommy say no, odru daddy Joshua. Daddy, I want this, but what did your mom say? Mom say no. Okay, no. If mom say no, that means no. I didn't come and come, and then mommy say no. Daddy say yes. Daddy say yes. Mommy say no. I didn't come and come to wait there. Ntokwa sika ntokwa. Ntokwa omukunti. Oh yes, no oya. Nti di we be kan we mfa. Ntokwa ni jine mu nti I didn't come one. Me fear I can make nko anka me man de ompe bi ombenya. Me na me de me nan si fom. Na me dana se so wo this right na mama me. Wa mama kwan to rule this house say the beya nkola no because me na me wo fie. Nto obusa na de o so mama se say. Me mama se say wo say ne mama se say de ne sa. E ho de Mr. Loveless me to check the man. Because I'm when me say ya, and you go opposite a Casamaba. Casamaba. 8 o'clock. You be your Bible studies. Who just boom crabejai? Near Bombay. If you could be a friend of me, could not be and Colana to say, oh, it will be a just or no cross me. Miss Romo 30 minutes. Why, Mr. Momo extra 30 minutes? Because I know didn't come. Monsieur you mate. Just will be some. My Mr. Romit many 30 extra 30 minutes. Or the minimum say 18 a more share more years. But Mr. Romami 30 minutes now. Me no, no more 30 minutes. Oh, Sram say, me more 30 minutes. Only Mr. Omo Bible studies. But Mr. Osrame, or Mafiantem. Until me man 30 minutes, no ninko. Until almost spend 30 minutes with their dad. Then they come, we do Bible studies, they go to sleep. 8 o'clock, we hear Bible studies, your power will be a da. Oh, but it's a TV, because I know that YouTube, a Bible reading, and none of us did that. No, they did that. Tito be also young and Jukra, just be our banner, what that deep, just will do. But wait, dear, mommy say, Papa say. Mommy say, wait, Papa say, go. Me couldn't want me and come collect a woman she will buy me. But we die upon the mammy. So first, I mean, come, me, Yammy wouldn't him say, but the men sacre or ban, me young. Say, me pan, when you made in Sakam in a year, Mikuna, come a man bessay. Come bessay. Miss Rebbe, our for Mama General Coben crew for the sake of your children. If you read, The champion for gangsters in the baby. Madam Munasi, say me by me team, it already is Christo Swasi, so over from me, Marcus. Meaning Sassy, but I could go as a passo, now so, waha, and you do so. When you won't shout, no one you can see. That's a next say yes or ma, over sign at God bless you for watching and have a great weekend. Thank you.